The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is one of the highest rated and reviewed products on Amazon for a reason. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. It cooks eggs wonderfully, and it cooks them a couple of different ways. So first, we love hard-boiled eggs in our family. It's a really healthy, protein-rich snack that both the adults love, the kids love. Whether you're making deviled eggs or you're just grabbing a hard-boiled egg for breakfast, such a great thing to have. Now, because of the cool technology here, you can also do medium-boiled eggs and soft-boiled eggs. It's all dependent on how much water you put onto the heating plate. Another great feature is that it poaches eggs. It comes with an egg poaching tray where you simply just put one egg per section of the tray here, and it poaches them beautifully. My husband loves poached eggs, so we use this probably more than any other area of function. Finally, it comes with an omelet tray where you can fill your omelet tray with eggs, cheese, vegetables, greens, whatever it may be. And I like it because it's the perfect size, almost like a mini omelet, and it works wonderfully. So you simply just look at the indicators on the cup that it comes with, and that's how much water you put in, depending on how you want your eggs cooked. On the bottom here, it also comes with a small little device to prick the bottom of the eggs before they go in. But the directions are super simple. If you can unbox this, you can successfully cook eggs. I really love the egg cooker. It's amazing, and I'm certainly not the only one who thinks so. You guys can check out this product on my Amazon shop page.